Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's get this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on Zomedica. That's ticker symbol ZOM. This gonna be a quick update. You know, we already talked about this stock a few times on the channel, so we ain't gonna go too much in detail. We just gonna let y'all know what to expect, short term, long term, and our whole thought process on Zomedica. So let's check it out, you guys. We closed at 168. We down 15% today. We came back. We regained ourselves 9.8% after hours. So we opened at 181. The high was 186. The low was 152. The 52-week high was 291. The 52-week low was 0.06 cent. So on today's, we see we had a steady decline from this opening, from the opening at around 184. We fell all the way down to around 153, and we touched the low was 152. And then after hours, we shot straight up to around 173, shot up 24-25 cents in after hours. And my thought process on that to begin with is a bull trap. It's not full. I told y'all this thing is a good long-term hold after it falls. I told y'all to exit your position, be selling 75% of your position. If not all, go ahead and get out and be buying back in at a cheaper price, because it's most definitely going to fall because of the news that came out. It ain't nothing that's wrong with the news. It's just the way the market operates. People buy the rumors, sell the news. They sold the news when the True Farmer product came out with Zomedica, and now it's having a sell-off. But it's still, now you just got to catch the bottom and get in at a good point and ride this thing back up and sell it for some gains. So let's check it out. We're going to talk about that entry, exit points. We're going to talk about the support and the resistance real quick. So that was most definitely a sign. I think that was a bull trap for it to take off up 24-25 cents like that. That was a bull trap to get investors hyped and FOMO, fear of missing out, thinking it's about to run back up big, which it is, but I feel it's going to pull back a little more right before the run. So let's see. Let's check this out. I had told y'all when we had looked on the chart that once we broke below 178, and that's what we broke below. We broke below that today. We fell all the way to 152. And once we hit that 152, I told you we could form a support around our previous resistance before this entirely run up right here. We had a previous resistance around $1.30. We could actually see that be our farmer support. This thing could pull back and test that 130 right around $1.30 range. And then if it don't hold 130, we could see the lowest possible we could see, I think, will be around the low ones and 90 cents. This thing could pull all the way back to 90 cents and the low ones, depending on how the market do tomorrow and if this correction is over or not. So with that being said, good places to get in on Zomedica would be right around $1.30, $1.35. You could start sizing in. And then if you see it pull on back to the low ones, 101, 102, I get some more shares. Then I save some firepower just in case this thing want to pull all the way back to around 90 cents. I get some more. Man, if this thing break 88 cents, we gonna get up out of there. We gone. No, get rid of Zomedica. But we shouldn't see that. We shouldn't see that worst case scenario. But if we don't see it, we're gonna ride this thing straight up, and what we're gonna sell at is gonna be $3. We can sell at $2.80, $2.70 to be on the safe side, good side. But we can sell half our position, 75% our position, and if we believe in the company and like what they got going on, we can let the rest of our shares ride for free. Because remember that Zomedica is, with the veterinarians and that True Farmer product that they got, that's basically a product to help them scan these pets and stuff and see what they need, like to help them with that process, and it helped them without having to do the testing and have to send it off to a third party and them having to send the results back in. That True Farmer product is basically a product to go ahead and give them the information that they need right there on hand without a third party. So this is a big deal. This thing is basically helping them veterinarians have a way faster process with what they got going on. So that's to be big, y'all. And we already know America is real big on pets, on their animals, on their dogs and cats. So this is a most definitely could graduate to a long-term hold, but you don't want to have your original investment stuck in it. You want to ride off house money. So that's all I got for y'all this video. You already know this your boy B Hayes. If you like these type of updates, this type of stuff, we post content every single day around the stock market and anything. So consider joining the family. We love y'all. God bless.